Hey everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video on Freshtunes today. I'm going to be showing you how you can take out your balance from Freshtunes, withdraw the money to your bank account. So right now on screen you'll see at the top I've got a balance of about $60, and here are all my statistics and streams over recent times. Now the first thing you want to do is select the balance at the top menu. Click that and it will take you to the finance pages where you'll be able to see your fund balance and your payout reports from the previous months. There's often about a 1 to 2 month lag of payouts, but select withdraw funds, and then right here, before we go any further, I just simply want to say, to withdraw via wire transfer, you need to have $300 of balance or above. To withdraw via web money or Payoneer, I think you just need a normal account with Payoneer or web money. So go ahead and create the account of your choosing on Payoneer or web money if you'd like to withdraw money via that way. Then it will ask you, once you select how much money you would like to withdraw, it has to be a multiple of 50. It will ask you to sign in to your chosen withdrawal site. Mine was Payoneer, so I signed in via Freshtunes, and then it said wait 5 minutes, come back and try the withdrawal process again, as we're linking your Freshtunes account to Payoneer. Now, once 5 minutes have passed, I selected withdraw funds, selected $25, selected withdraw, and boom, just like that, the payout was complete. The money then transfers over to your account in Payoneer or web money, and then you cannot make any subsequent withdrawals for the next 24 hours upwards, I believe. So then your money transfers to your other account on the other platform, and job done. Thank you for watching. Take care, leave a like and subscribe.